Hello there. I'm Mr. Demand, and I'm dealing with all new IT projects.
Hiya. I'm Mr. Supply, and I'm responsible for the IT factory. What's with the box there, Mr. Demand?
Well, the Demand organisation uses the IT portfolio to govern, manage and monitor new IT projects. You see, 30% of the overall IT budget goes towards new IT initiatives, and we like them to be real investments. So, this is how we manage our business demands. This here is a business project with low risk but great business benefits. So it's a good business investment. And this one here, well, it's got medium level risk, but it's got great alignment with the overall business strategy. So it's a good investment as well. And this, well, that's a very risky project. And it's got very little business value. So we just decided not to do it at all. You know, for us, IT projects are like business investments. We look at the business benefits, the risk, the costs, the overall alignment with the business strategy. You know, this portfolio thinking really has improved our business relationship. We don't talk about the cost anymore, but we talk about the business value of our projects. What's your box for?
Well, this? I use it for running the IT factory. With this box, I manage and service the networks, the database, the hardware, software, applications, and security.
Okay, so that's where the remaining 70% of the IT budget goes to. But what does your box actually do?
Like I said, it delivers a whole set of IT services. Look, these are our infrastructure services. They keep the systems up and running.
And how much do they cost?
I don't know. I can tell you how much the whole box costs.
You're hardly thinking outside of the box, are you?
Look, that's our database services. Oh, and here comes the application services. Those little guys.
But how do you know your customers even need these services? I mean, do you even know what's inside your own box?
No, I don't, and I don't need to. It's a bit like a box of chocolates. You never quite know what you're going to get.
I think you'll find it's a completely different ballgame when you have to explain all this to your customers.
How can we unlock this black box in IT? On the demand side, we use the concept of project portfolio management. This allowed us to optimize the investments we make in IT. The various investments in IT can be matched against the enterprise strategy of the organization, and therefore we can focus on the really high impact projects in IT. Great, brilliant. What about the supply side? On the supply side, we can introduce the same type of portfolio thinking, and this is called service portfolio management. This brings the running costs of IT in tune with the cost reduction objectives for your organization. The bottom line is simple. It turns the fixed cost of running IT into a variable one. Great. Here are some tips on how to get started. The best approach is really a bottom-up approach. That means that the first thing you have to do is get a grip on the full cost of your IT services. And don't think silos. Think about life cycle as you move along. And the CMDB probably is the best place to do exactly that. Secondly, you want to see the services in a business context. What it means is that you expose them in a service catalog and then link the different business processes to the services in the catalog. Then we bring in the users. Let them rate the importance of the business services. It means that you can focus on those with high business benefit and then source those with little business benefit. This is the trick to turn a fixed costs into a variable one. So finally, this is about bonding with the business. This is not a one-time thing. This is a regular thing that you have to do. You have to sit down with the business stakeholders. You have to discuss the services pipeline, review the cost benefits of the existing services, and then make the right decisions on the buy, source, or retire of services. So, with service portfolio management, you can unlock this black box of IT and put IT assets and services into a business context and bring value into a cost equation. Now you're ready to transform a black box cost center into a customer-focused service provider.